Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to rotate props in Grow a Garden 2. First, just keep in mind that props are decorative items that used to customize your garden or to help you harvest the plant. And if you don't have any yet, you can just get them by opening crates from the prop shops. And once you have the props, just head into your garden and open the build menu. This build item, and then next just tap on the props that you want to rotate. In here, I want to rotate my ladder, this one, and then next just tap on the green button, this one, and then just rotate it like this. Just drag it right or left like this. After that, you can just click it like this, and just like that your props already rotate like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.